Hey everybody, how are you doing? I am here with a haul. This one is from Hobby Lobby, and this one is more or less a clearance haul for the most part. Actually, I think it's almost, well, not all of it's clearance, but it's clearance and 50% off. So the first thing is this soap. And this is Hannah's Garden, and it's the Cozy Cottage. And if you look, what's it remind you of that I love? That's right, Mackenzie Child, because my decor is going to have a lot of the black and white Mackenzie Child feel to it this summer, spring, after Easter, into summer, until we get back into fall. So I got that, and that was $9.99 half off. So $5 or $4.98, whatever. Then they had these little iron-on, and I'm not necessarily going to use that for iron-ons, but the faces I am going to use for DIYs. They also had this on clearance. And these are the 4 dinner napkins, and I won't necessarily use them for dinner napkins, but these would be nice to be able to do maybe a Cricut, the infused pens with it, or vinyl. I don't know yet, but it was regularly $10.99. I got it for $2.74 on clearance. I'm always having to use my husband's wire cutters, and so I just broke down and got myself some wire cutters, and I used my 40% off for this. Then I love the pip berries, and now Hobby Lobby has the pip berries in different colors, and this was normally $8.99, 50% off. I would never pay $8.99. But it's 30 feet of this, guys, and I got the yellow because I will decorate in the summer with the Mackenzie Child, but I'm also going to incorporate my lemon and bee theme, and this yellow is a beautiful yellow. It's not real bold and bright. It's more of that butter yellow with a little hint of the darker in it, but it's a beautiful yellow. So I got those. They had these earrings. They're normally $13.99, and they were on clearance for $3.49, but these are real pretty. My birthstone is blue sapphire, so I thought these were really, really pretty. And then, going along with the Easter, if you saw my other video, my haul from Michael's, I got those beautiful orange tulips, and I got this ribbon half off in the bridal section. And that brings me to the material, and again, this is Mackenzie Child, like the Mackenzie Child Courtly check, and the orange. 3 guesses what I'm going to be doing with this. Put it in the comments down below if you know what I'm going to do with this. And that will be with my Easter. And then in the clearance they had these Christmas trees, and this is in the leopard. And no, I'm not using these for Christmas trees, nor am I keeping the leopard. And I don't know if you have an idea what I'm going to be doing with these. If you think you know, leave it in the comments below. They're big. But I got those because I do have a DIY where I'm going to be using these. Then in the clearance, They also had these gift bags. Okay, and these are really nice gift bags. And they're the 7 by 8, but they're a nice size bag. And there is one, let me look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags, and they were $1.99. Normally $7.99. Good deal. In the wedding section also, they had this craft wire with rhinestones on it. This was normally $3.99 for 99 cents. Along with these little organza flowers with the pearls and rhinestones. Normally $3.99 for 99 cents. So I got pink and black. Then they had this, and this was $14.99 for the stamp, okay? I'm not going to pay that, but it was on sale for $3.74, and you know I love bees, and so here's the honeycomb, and then it has a bee here, right there, and then it has some sayings. Their bodies are heavy, their wings are too small, but yet they fly after all, believe. Be happy, just be you, meant to be together. Thank you for being my friend. Buzzing by to wish you a happy birthday. Again, $3.74 I'll pay, $15 I won't. This heart was in the clearance section, and it holds pictures, and it sits on its side, but I won't leave it like this. And that was normally $10, and it was on clearance for $2.49. And then they had some stickers. And they had this alphabet sticker, and these were $10 normally, and this was $2.49. Now I like the floral, the look of it, but the only drag, and I'm wondering if this is why they put them on clearance, I'm not sure, but out of this whole alphabet, they only have one capital D, only one. So I don't know, it's kind of weird, but they're still pretty, and for $2.49 I can do that. I got a couple of these small black stickers, and they were normally $2.49. They were 62 cents. And this castle, I'll find something to do with that. That was $6.99 normally for $1.74. I would not have paid $6.99. Minnie Mouse, 74 cents. And Bo Bunny, which were $6, and they were on sale for $1.49. And there's just different sentiments. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Remember that you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. There are hundreds of languages, but a smile speaks them all. You are my moon and stars. Every job is a self-portrait of the person who does it. Autograph with your work. Every job is a self-portrait of the person who does it. Autograph your work with excellence. So I thought that would be pretty to put inside. If you were making a card, you could stamp that inside. And this I had, and I'm just going to put it into the haul, but this is not from Hobby Lobby. This is from Walmart. But these cherries, I thought these would be cute in the summer, because I always do fruit on my hutch, and it goes again with the Courtly check. And I have more hauls coming up with Mackenzie Child and other things that I'm putting with Mackenzie Child. So that's something I hope that you'll look forward to. Guys, that is my Hobby Lobby clearance and half off sale. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.